The first step to access the battery compartment of your BMW X5 key fob is to remove the physical key blade. Locate the small release button or slider mechanism on the fob's body, usually near the key ring attachment point. Depress or slide this mechanism while simultaneously pulling the key blade away from the fob. It should slide out smoothly with moderate pressure. Make sure to have a firm grip on both the fob and the key blade to prevent dropping either piece. Place the key blade in a safe location to avoid losing it during the battery replacement process. Remember the orientation of the key blade for reassembly. With the key blade removed, inspect the key fob for a small seam where the two halves of the case meet. Use a plastic opening tool or a small flathead screwdriver covered with tape to prevent scratches. Gently pry along this seam. Work your way around the perimeter of the fob, carefully releasing the clips that hold the two halves together. Once the case is open, you'll see the battery. Note its orientation with plus and minus sides. The battery is usually a coin cell type like CR2032. Gently pry the old battery out and insert the new one, ensuring correct polarity. Carefully snap the key fob case back together, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Test the key fob to ensure it functions correctly. Finally, slide the physical key back into its slot until it clicks into place.